Did you know you can control where and how the tile set appears in your puzzle? Let's walk through the layout options. Start by selecting Sudoku Pick and Place from the Puzzle Type menu. Use a 6x6 grid so the layout differences are easy to see. Go to the Layout tab to adjust the tile set layout. The default is All Items. This shows every missing tile, including duplicates. Switch to Unique Items to display just one tile for each symbol. Change the tile set position to left. This works well for social media layouts. For the next example, we draw random numbers from a large range. Sort the tile set to keep it organized. Select letters with randomized order. Now we use alphabetic sort order for letters. Watch our branding video to add your branding to the puzzle images. With these layout options, you can fine-tune your puzzle for any format from printables to social posts.